Hello there and welcome back to Bullets for Bucks. My name is Stephen Bresnaw and today I have something super exciting to show you. That's right, the new Howa HS Precision chambered in 6.5 PRC. So let's start by just going over some of the basics. It features a 24-inch contour number 2 cold hammer forged barrel. It's threaded 1/2 by 28 with a thread protector at the end. It features the Howa 1500 action, and Howa decided to use the long action for the 6.5 PRC, which I think is a better choice, that you can really hand load those cartridges to a long overall length and not have trouble with feeding. The Howa 1500 action features a full steel receiver that has a recoil lug that is one part of the receiver, which I really like. It also features, of course, the HS Precision fiberglass Kevlar reinforced rifle stock. It features, of course, the 3-stage safety. All the way to the rear locks the bolt in place and prevents the trigger from being fired. One forward, you can manipulate the bolt, but you can't fire. All the way forward, you can fire, of course. The action is smooth and definitely not anything to scoff at. It does have a very slight machining sound, meaning markings inside the receiver or on the bolt make a very slight, very quiet zipper sound, much less than, say, a Ruger American, but it's still there. The bolt release is on the left side, and to remove the bolt, you simply depress the bolt release, and the bolt comes out. Now, taking a look at the bolt, you can see that it has a Seiko style extractor and a plunger ejector. It's a 2-lug bolt, and I've used these extensively for hunting and testing, and I can tell you I've never had any problems with them. It is generously vented in case you have a case head failure so that it doesn't blow up in your face. The bolt is one piece, meaning the bolt knob and the bolt is all one piece, which makes it a very, very, very strong bolt. To remove the firing pin, you simply turn the end clockwise, and the firing pin comes out. This is the easiest and best design I've ever seen in any bolt-action rifle. To put it back in, you simply push it back in place, turning it counterclockwise. It features a nice actual metal, bottom metal, and it holds 3 rounds. So you can have 1 in the chamber and 3 in the mag. To release the bottom metal, you suppress a tab right here, and it comes out. It's all metal except for the follower is polymer. Everything else is metal. The trigger guard is high quality metal as well. It features the hacked 2-stage trigger, which I really, really like, and from the factory breaks at about 3.5 to 3.25 pounds. So I took this rifle out to the range, and the winds were extremely high. I really wanted to film this review at the range, but instead I took footage of the shooting, which I'll show you right now. Alright, so as you can see from the range footage, this rifle performed excellently. The first group out of the rifle ever with the Hornady 147 grain EDLM factory loads shot around a half MOA. It was a pure cloverleaf. So super impressive that this rifle is shooting that good, that quickly, without even being fully broken in with factory ammunition. It ejected and fed properly. I didn't have any issues with the feeding of the 6.5 PRC rounds or the extraction of the 6.5 PRC rounds. Everything functioned flawlessly. The rifle is 43.5 inches overall length, so it makes it ideal for hunting. And it comes in at a weight of 7.8 pounds. So a very solid platform at a reasonable hunting weight. One thing I forgot to mention is it comes, of course, with this nice recoil pad here. It is quite firm, but it seemed to do a very good job mitigating the recoil. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Howa HS Precision chambered in 6.5 PRC. If you did, go ahead and leave me a comment and remember to like and subscribe.